Welcome to Asten BaaS. I'll show you how to set up your backend and run the Unity Quickstart demo. First, head over to astenstudios.com and create your free account. You can sign up using your email or Google account. Here, you can create your game, the space where you'll manage your players, stats, and leaderboards. You'll just need to enter your game's name, a short description, and its genre. Here you'll find your game API key and game ID, which you'll need to set up your connection. Import the package using the Unity Package Manager or directly from the asset store. Now you'll see the demo scene and its code. To test it out, let's create an empty game object in the project hierarchy. Name it whatever you like. And add the example component. Once added, you'll be able to enter your game ID and API key. Now let's head back to the Asten Studios console and copy your API key and game ID. When you hit play, you'll see the Quickstart demo screen. Let's start by testing authentication via device ID. From here, you can view the top 5 leaderboard, save data to the cloud, and submit your score. If you log out and log back in, you'll see that all your data persists. You can also test authentication using an email address. Enter a valid email and password, then click Send OTP to receive a verification code that keeps bots away. Once you enter the OTP in the Quickstart demo to confirm, you can perform all the same operations, save data to the cloud, submit scores, and enjoy full data persistence. Now, let's head back to the Asten Studios web console where you created your game. There, you'll be able to view the player data we've just created and tested, check the leaderboards, explore the API documentation, or join our Discord community. I hope you find this useful, and I'd love to hear your feedback so we can keep building together dev to dev.